Are you stuck and not sure what to say on your Facebook Lives, YouTube, or Instagram? I'm going to share with you my template to have successful videos and video content so that you gain massive success and subscribers and followers. For the best tools, tips, and tricks for female entrepreneurs, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the bell below, and I will be posting new videos every Tuesday. Most of my clients say they are paralyzed and they don't know what to say during their Facebook Lives, their videos on YouTube or Instagram. So I want to share with you my steps for success when using video. Step number 1. You need to start out with a hook, something that's going to grab your client's attention. Maybe it's a picture, maybe it's a title, maybe it's something that's going to really connect with them. I like to use, are you struggling with? Would you like to learn? How would it feel if? Those are great hooks. Step number 2, storytelling. We all love stories. This is the time where you can share a story about a client or yourself. You can talk about the progression, the steps, or things that you took to bring you from point A to Z, or from the beginning of your client's journey and to the end. So right now, write down a story of one of your clients or a story where you had success. Step number 3. This is one of my favorite steps. This is where you teach. You're teaching about the sequential steps to get your client from point A to point Z. Now you can use 1, 2, or 3 steps, and it is better if you have less steps, more concise, so your clients can have wins. So step 1 in this story is the hook. Step 2 in this is the story. Step 3 is the steps, right? Step 4 is the offer, and step 5 is summary. Step 4. So this is one I think many entrepreneurs forget about. This is about making an offer. So everybody wants to hear about how they can learn from you. Making an offer is serving your community, serving your tribe. Make sure you use an offer, whether it's a free template, a list building idea, a free video, a free group, but you want to talk about how your future clients are going to get this. So join now, book now, contact now, download now. There are many ways you can use this. So make sure you take time and think about what you can offer your clients that's going to be a big win for them. Step 5, this is where you summarize everything that you taught in your video. So remember, you talk about the hook. What were they struggling with? How are you solving their problem? You talked about a story. You talked about a story about you or a story about a client. You talked about the steps they need to take to succeed. And you talked about a call to action so they can connect with you more. And last but not least, you summarized. Now you know what exactly to say during your videos. If you would like to download a free template, please click below and you will be able to fill in this 3-page template and provide valuable content for your future clients. If you want to join a free community of like-minded women just like you, please click below and join my Sisterhood Business School. This is a secret society I have so women just like you can connect together. If you liked my video, please click like below and make any comments and ask me any questions you have regarding this video and what to do on your videos.